Hi, now we are going to discuss about previous questions of UGC NET from 2019 and 20. The topic is average. First, given three numbers, first is twice the second and is half of the third. If the average of the three numbers is 56, then the difference between the first and third number is. So let us, first condition is x is equal to 2y, means y is equal to x by 2, and second condition is x is equal to half of the third number, means 1 by 2 z. Let us say that numbers x, y, z, then z will be equal to 2 in 2x. Then average sum of 3 by 3 is equal to 56. So x plus x by 2 plus 2x by 3 is equal to 56. Then x plus x by 2 plus 2x is equal to 56 into 3, that is 168. Then 3x plus x by 2 168, and 6x plus x by 2 168, then 7x will be 336, and finally x is 48. And next question, the average of 7 consecutive numbers is 33. The largest of these numbers is, so let us say 7 consecutive numbers from x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5, x plus 6. Then the average is 33. So sum of numbers by total quantity number of numbers, total quantity of numbers is equal to 33. So from this 7x plus 21 by 7 will be 33. Then we will get x as 210 by 17. 210 by 7 is equal to 30. The largest number is x plus 6, so we are getting x as 30. So x plus 6 means 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. The next question, a student scores 55, 60, 65 and 70 respectively in English, physics, chemistry and mathematics. If the credits assigned to the English, physics, chemistry and mathematics are 2, 3, 3 and 4 respectively, then what would be the average? So simply including credits, the total marks will be calculated. English 55 into 2 110, physics 60 into 3 180, chemistry 65 into 3 195, mathematics 70 into 4 280. The total marks will be 765 and total credits 12. So average marks 765 by 12, 63.75. Next, the average of three numbers is 22. Sum of two of the numbers is 24. Then the two numbers are in the ratio, and these two numbers are in ratio 7:5. Then find the three numbers. So average of three numbers, that is a plus b plus c by 3 is equal to 22. Then a plus b plus c is equal to 66. In question, the sum of first two numbers will be 24. So a plus b is equal to 24, means 7x plus 5x is equal to 24. 7x because they are in ratio 7:5. So 7x plus 5x is equal to 24. Then 12x is equal to 24, x is equal to 4. Then a is equal to 7x means 14, b is equal to 5x means 10. Then a plus b plus c is equal to 66. We know the first two numbers a plus b is equal to 24, then c is equal to 42. So the final three numbers 14, 10, 42. Next question, out of a total of 10 students, the average weight of 9 students is 60 kgs. If the weight of the 10th student is 9 kgs more than the average weight of all the 10 students, then the weight of the 10th student will be. Here the total weight of the 9 students will be 9 into 60, 540. Then the total weight of 10 students, because we don't know the weight of the 10th student, so that will be 540 plus x. Then average weight of the 10 students 540 plus x, because there are 10 students by 10. The weight of the 10th student x is 9 kgs more than the average weight of the 10 students. So for this, let us say x weight of the 10th student is equal to x, then x is equal to 9 more than the average weight of 10 students. So 9 plus 540 plus x by 10. So by solving this, we will get x as 70 kgs. Then a person buys 3 items of 1500 each and 2 items of 1800 each from a shopping mall. On a total bill of discount of 10% is given. What is the average cost of the items? So he is buying 5 items. So total bill for 3 items 1500, for 2 items 1800, then total bill will be 8100. Then 10% discount means out of 8100, 10% discount means 810 rupees will be discount. Then after discount he is paying 7290. For this 7290 for 5 items, so each cost means 7290 by 5, 1458. This is the answer. Next question, if the average of 5 numbers is minus 20, the sum of the 3 numbers is 32, then what is the average of other 2 numbers? Then the sum of 5 numbers is minus 20 into 5 is equal to minus 100. The sum of 3 numbers is equal to 32. Then sum of 2 numbers is equal to sum of 5 numbers minus sum of 3 numbers. Minus 100 minus 32 means minus 132. And next question, a group of 40 employees of cadre A has a mean age of 31. A group of 60 employees, a different group of 60 employees of cadre B has a mean age of 28. What is the mean age of 2 employees? So here total 100 employees, 40 and 60. So mean age will be 40 into 31 plus 60 into 28 by 40 by 60. Then we will get the mean age as 29.2. Next question, 40% of the employees in a factory are workers and remaining all are executives. The annual income of the each worker is 39,000. Then annual income of each executive is 42,000. What is the annual income of all employees in the factory together? So 40% means workers means 60% will be executives. So then 40 into 39,000, 60 into 42,000 by 40 plus 60. So we will get the 40,600. This is the average. Then the next question, the average of 35 raw scores is 18. The average of first 17 of them is 14 and that last 17 is 20. Find the 18th raw. So sum of 17 first 17 into 14 238 and sum of last 17 into 20 340. Then sum of total 35 into 18 630. Let the 18th value will be x. So the total sum equal to 630 means 17 into 14 plus x plus 17 into 20. So 238 plus x plus 340 is equal to 630. Then the answer will be 52. And next question, average age of a class 59 students is 18 years. If the age of the teacher is included, then the average weight increases by 3 months. Then the age of the teacher is. So the average age is 18 years, number of students 59. So total age is 18 into 59, 1062. When the teacher age is included, the new average will becomes by adding 3 months. 3 months means 3 by 2, 3 by 12 years means 0.25 years. So hence the new average will be 18 plus 0.25 is equal to 18.25. The total number of persons means 59 students plus 1 teacher is equal to 60. Then the total ages 60 into 18.25 means 1095. Then by taking the difference 1060 and 1095 we will get the age of the teacher as 33 years. Average of 70 numbers is 32. If the each number is increased by 3, then the new average will be. So sum by 70 is equal to 32. Then sum will be 2240. Each number is increased by 3 means new sum is equal to 2240 plus 70 into 3, that is 2450, and new average 2450 by 70, that is 35. Thank you.